Hello, greetings to all viewers in the world. I'm Mavis Nyako, Deroko Technology Official, Miss Spider Sensor. I'm much excited to introduce to you our great inventor, the philosopher, uncomparable, charismatic, Roxanne Kwejo Deborah, to give us more detailed explanations on how insects are created and other living organisms.
Insects play a major role in our lives. They support human being by producing food for us. In which way do insects support us? That is the question. Insects help in self and cross-pollination. They are on earth specifically to fertilize a tree or plant which is ready to bear fruit for human consumption. By now, we are killing insects worldwide. What is the motive? Are we killing them to perform their duties, or we are killing them to stay clean on earth? When we kill insects, then we should be ready that the world will witness famine, because no tree, no plant can bear fruit without insect. So, where from the insecticides, we may think they are destroying the fruit which is produced by the plant and the trees. They are not. They are on earth to perform a specific task for cross and self-pollination, because human being can never on earth do cross and self-pollination. It is never true. Human being cannot perform the functions of insects. We should rather get a way to protect the plant after it has been fertilized. After it has been fertilized. Because without this insect, the trees can never bear fruit for us. We have witnessed many cases of famine across the world. We need agrochemicals to protect our crops, because the insects are destroying our crops. It is never true. Never on earth is true. Let me tell you, insect has a sensor that detects danger. They have a sensor that detects danger. So when the insect goes to a plant or crops and they detect that danger, they move away from there. Then they will leave your plant and crops there for it not to be fertilized. So from that moment, your crops and the plant will not bear fruit for you. It will never bear fruit for you. Many people are complaining that we have protected our crops, but yet still it is not bearing fruit for us, because there's pollination. If it does not take place, the plant or the trees will not be fertilized to produce fruit on earth for human being. Insect has less than 9 months to live on earth annually. They have less than 1 month 9 months to live on earth. Some are 4, 3, 6 months to live on earth, to perform a specific task on earth. And when a crop, let me say pineapple, let me use pineapple for an example. When pineapple is bear fruit, for it to rot, the citric acid in it will make sure that it's supposed to produce insects on its kind. Every citric acid produces insects on its kind. Every citric acid produces insect of its kind. So there is no need for grafting, changing of DNA. There is no need for that, because when we do grafting, then the citric acid in the fruit will be unable to create insect on its kind to come on earth to perform a specific function for us. We will all suffer from famine without protecting the insect on earth. We're supposed to protect the insect for them to perform their tasks and know how to control them not by killing them. We have many ways that we can protect, help the insect will help us fertilize our crops, plants, and other stuff. We will have a way to get rid of them. We need to protect insects on earth and stop the grafting, because grafting change DNA. It makes trees unable to produce insects on their kind. Thank you.